In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set trailing stop in MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let your stop loss follow price automatically as your trade moves into profit, so you can lock in gains while still giving the market room to breathe. First, a quick overview of what a trailing stop does. A trailing stop is simply a stop loss that moves in your favor. As price rises on a buy position or falls on a sell position, the stop adjusts to stay a set distance behind the market. If price turns against you by that distance, the position is closed at the trailing level, helping you protect what you've earned. Now, let's set one up on the desktop version of MetaTrader 5. Open MT5, and make sure you already have an active position. You can confirm this in the Trade tab at the bottom of the terminal. This is where your open positions and orders are listed. Find the specific position you want to trail, then right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, hover your mouse over Trailing Stop. You'll see a list of preset distances measured in points. Points are the smallest price units on MT5. For many Forex pairs, 10 points equals 1 pip, but this can vary by instrument. Choose a preset that fits your strategy or select Custom if you want to type in an exact number of points. As soon as you choose the distance, the trailing stop is set. You'll notice a small T icon next to the trade, indicating the trailing function is active. Here's how it works behind the scenes. The trailing stop won't start moving immediately. It only activates once your position is in profit by at least the distance you specified. For example, if you set 150 points, your trade must be up at least 150 points before the platform begins trailing. After activation, the stop loss tracks price at that fixed gap, staying below current price for a buy or above it for a sell. If the market reverses by the trailing distance, MT5 triggers the stop and closes the trade at that level. A few practical tips as you use this. Consider volatility and spread when choosing the distance. Too tight, and normal market noise might knock you out prematurely. Too wide, and you may give back more profit than you'd like. Remember that points scale differs across instruments, so double-check how your symbol quotes. And keep your platform running and connected, because the trailing logic updates while MT5 is active on your computer. That's it. You now know how to set a trailing stop in MetaTrader 5 and how it behaves once your trade moves in your favor.